Welcome to the first programming lesson of C++. This is the C++. A programming language is actually an improvement from the C programming language. So here we'll be going through the simplest programming program that you could go through C++. So firstly, we start by including a certain header file, which is the input output stream header file, and basically the hashtag is already declared so that it is for the processor. And when you have to also declare the namespace std, which comprises of the predefined names in C++, or we can say comprises of the predefined names in the header file input output stream. So then after, we need to define the main function. So the main function, and it needs to return 0, which it will return 0 if the program run correctly. So this is the type of the function, and this is the name of the function. This is the body, or where the program runs within the main function. So we need to use this predefined name to say hello world. Inside it will contain the text that we need to be outputted. So, and this indicates that after it prints out, or it outputs this words, the cursor will move to the next line. So we can just run it and see what we're gonna get. So as you can see, it's a hello world, and it run successfully. So you can see that the program runs successfully. Carry on to see more exciting stuff on the C++ programming language, and we'll delve into other programming languages in the YouTube channel in the future.